Let me guess, you've been wasting hours trying to grow on YouTube. But you don't show your face on camera, right? You record voiceovers that sound robotic. Or maybe you're too shy to even record your own voice. And because of that, your dream of building a faceless YouTube channel is stuck. Painful truth. Without the right strategy and the right tools, you'll keep struggling while others, who don't even show their face, are earning thousands every single month. Sounds unfair? Well, it's not. They just know the system that you don't. Yet. Now, imagine this. Instead of hiding behind stock footage or spending money on expensive freelancers, you have your own AI-powered avatar. An avatar that looks real, speaks naturally, and delivers your content in a way that builds trust and authority. All without you ever showing your face. This is not some futuristic dream. It's happening right now. And inside my program, AI Faceless Academy, I'm teaching step-by-step how you can use these tools to launch and scale your own faceless YouTube channel starting today. Let's break this down. To create professional AI avatar videos, you need three main elements. 1. AI avatars. First, tools like Synthesia, HeyGen, or DID allow you to generate a hyper-realistic AI avatar that talks just like a human. Second, you can customize their look, accent, language, and even expressions. 2. Voice generation first. Instead of sounding robotic, you can use tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai for ultra-realistic AI voices. Second, these voices carry emotion and energy, so your audience actually connects with your content. 3. Scriptwriting plus editing. First, here's where most people fail. They either copy content or don't know how to structure it for YouTube retention. Second, at AI Faceless Academy, I'll teach you how to write engaging scripts that hook viewers, keep them watching, and maximize ad revenue. Thirds. Plus, I'll show you AI editing tools like Pictory, Descript, and CapCut AI to transform your content into a polished final video. And the best part? You don't need a camera, a microphone, or even your own face. AI does the heavy lifting. Now here's the harsh reality. Every single day you wait, more creators are jumping on this AI faceless trend. They're building faceless channels, monetizing them, and dominating niches you could have owned. If you keep postponing, someone else will take your spot. And when you finally try, you'll be too late. You don't want to look back 6 months from now saying, "I wish I had started earlier." This is why I created AI Faceless Academy. It's not just another random tutorial, it's a complete step-by-step mentorship. You'll learn how to create professional AI avatar videos from scratch. You'll discover the exact tools and workflows I personally use. And most importantly, you'll learn how to monetize faceless YouTube channels into a real income stream. So, if you're serious about turning this opportunity into income, don't wait. Visit AIFacelessAcademy.com right now and join us, because the longer you delay, the harder it becomes to compete. Listen, faceless YouTube channels are not the future anymore, they're the present. Creators who adapt to AI now are the ones who will dominate tomorrow. So don't stay stuck. Join the movement, learn the right system, and build your faceless empire today with AI Faceless Academy. I'll see you inside.